What is up, guys? It's your girl Cherish Faye, aka Conswala, and we are back from the video. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing video, just like my very first or second video, which you can also check out at the very end of my video. But today we are going to be unboxing another Wish item that I bought, and the Wish item is this. You can't really tell what shape it is, but like the shape is a circle, and you guys get to see what I bought. So, the moment of truth, I got a LED light. I know you're probably thinking like, girl, you already got a LED light, like chill. But what about for transportation? Like, cause that LED light is really big, so I might need a smaller one like this to travel around. And it got some good reviews. Now, I'm gonna test it out to see if it works, but let's just look at it at first. You can see that there's a white light and a mirror that needs to be cleaned. And it like, like right now you can see the reflection of, my camera, whatever, but there's a mirror so you know what you're looking at. And there's also a clip to clip it onto your phone. The problem with this is I saw this a lot with Apple, so I'm afraid that this won't work with Samsung. But this is an unboxed video, so we're gonna test it out and see if it works with Samsung. And if it doesn't work, you'll know not to buy this because it only works with Apple. Okay, so first I'm going to be showing you guys how to open the battery part because it does not come with batteries, so you're going to have to get your own batteries. So how you open it is here. There's this square part right here, and it looks like it's broken, but it's not actually broken. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your nail right through this little hole, and then you're going to pull. See, I got to use my thumbnail. So you got to use your thumbnail, and then you just got to pull, and it'll just unlock like this. See this? And you gotta use your nail and then pull it, and then it'll unlock like this. And you can see there's another part right here, but when it does this, all you have to do is just take it off. It comes off easily because you see the other side, it just has this little square thing, and on this side, yeah, so it's really easy to come off. And as you can see, it needs AAA batteries, so I'm going to come back with AAA batteries. Got my batteries. Now we're just going to stick it through, and you guys already know how to stick this through. You always want to put the side that is flat, which is the minus side, and you want to put that where the spring is. It tells you how what side to put the plus and minus on, so I don't really need to explain it. And now you can just use this to close it up, of course. Okay, now that it's closed and secure, it should turn on easily. And the button will be where the clip is. See this clip right here? It should be right there. So, oh, there's a light right here. And the mirror, it barely works. Like, well, actually, no, you can see it working now, but we'll see how the mirror works later when I put it on. But yeah. Oh, okay. So like, first it starts off dull, and there are many levels, which I saw on here. So let me just show you with my face. Here's the lowest level, a medium, and the highest one. So, and then turns off. So there's 3 levels, and that's really exciting because me, I'm always probably going to be using the highest level possible. But the moment of truth, we're going to be seeing if it fits on a Samsung case. How this works is you have to keep pushing it in until it hits your case or phone, and then it'll just be in place, and you let go, of course. But you don't let go where it's like gonna crack your phone, but just let it go easily. So now we're gonna see how light it is. Ooh, my hair. Okay, now that you see the difference, I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between all 3 levels of the LED light. Now that you guys see that the 3-level difference, now I'm going to show you guys the maximum level for both of them and the difference between them. So here are the pictures now. Comment below if you would get this LED light, and also comment below which one is better, the LED light stand or this one. This transportation LED light right now. I don't know if I'm talking fast right now, but if I am, I'm sorry. It's just I have to study for interims, so I have my chorus concert again, and I also had a chorus concert on one of my other vlogs when I put this painting up right there, which I will put in the end of the video. If you guys can see, that's my chorus clothes. It's really ugly, but I mean, I like green, so the shirt is okay, but having to wear khakis, no. But that's my pajamas, don't mind that. But yeah, that's my chorus clothes right there. Not the best. If you guys see my vlog, you've seen me in it before. I don't look bad, but you know, with my hair right now, no. It's all just a bad combination right now. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed watching me unbox items from Wish. And also, it's time to announce all the questions that has been asked on the iCard, and I will be bringing up all the percentages and figure out which one won. Okay guys, I am so excited because I officially added up all the iCard questions for #CCC Squad, #CCC Gang, if you want to be called Conswalans or not, and I got the percentages and I have the answers. So the first one, it asks, should you guys be called a #CCC Squad or #CCC Gang? Drum roll, please. You guys are gonna be called #CCC Squad. So thank you guys for voting. Sorry if you didn't get what you wanted, if you wanted to be called #CCC Gang, but I'm all about the majority of my subscribers, and most of you guys picked #CCC Squad. Make sure to put in the comments if you chose #CCC Squad so I can like your comments, because I do like reading them. So I'm going to be saying that every time you hit the notification bell, because if you hit the notification bell, you are officially part of the #CCC Squad. So if you are part of the #CCC Squad already, just comment down below, you know, and also like this video if you're part of it too. And now for the second question. The second question was if you want to be called Conswalans or not. This question, it says if you want to be called Conswalans or not, and the answer was yes. You guys agreed that you wanted to be called Conswalans, so yes, I'll be calling you guys that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to say, what up, Conswalans? It's your girl Cherish Faye, aka Conswala, back from another video. So I'm going to be adding, instead of guys, I'm going to say Conswalans because you guys want to be called that. So now you know the iCards are officially closed. If you want to check, make sure my stuff is right. It's probably changed, you know, because you know over time it changes if you watch this later. But from right now, and I've been waiting for a long time, #CCC Squad has won by a mile, and Conswalans, a lot of people have barely anybody said no. So that is the end of the iCards, and I just wanted to say that. I hope you guys are happy with the choice. Make sure to like this video if you are, and excited for my next video where I call you guys that, and also hit the notification bell to join that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to also like this video if you like me unboxing stuff. Wish, please sponsor me. I've contacted them before and they said they don't do sponsorships, but you know, if you do, then you know, go ahead. I'm here, I'm open. You know, I've been unboxing your Wish stuff for a long time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, because I gotta go to my chorus concert soon at like, it says it's 6:40, but I gotta be there early anyway. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Were you singing my ending? Yeah. Look at your new sunglasses. Am I being videotaped right now? Tazi signing out.